Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Job Science. I hope you all in a good health. And once again, I'm here with some new jobs in Kuwait. So all of the jobs which I'm going to discuss today are in Kuwait, and all of them are local jobs. Means Kuwait nationals can apply for them easily, and all of those people who have transferable visa, QID, or any other type of visa can apply for these jobs, depending upon their employer's flexibility. So let's go through today's jobs. First of all, I'm going to tell you about all of the jobs which are present in my today's video. So go through it with patience. So very first job is Indian salesman needed in Kuwait, store manager organizer, male house assistant wanted in Kuwait, urgently requirement for graphic designer come draftsman, need delivery driver in Kuwait, driver Indian cook, cashier wanted, then vacancy for cleaning laborers, chapati and biryani makers, urgently required houseboy and house driver, light drivers with their own car and bike, electrical engineer vacancy, ring beautician, nail technicians and hairdressers, then car delivery driver, row filter technician required, wanted experienced ladies, tailors, need helper cargo company in Kuwait and house cook job in Kuwait. So these are the jobs which I'm going to discuss in my today's video. Hope you like them and will definitely apply for them. And if you are watching my video for the first time, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, and select all from that so YouTube can notify you about all my upcoming videos. Thank you. Then let's start with the details of all of the jobs. So very first job is Indian salesman needed in Kuwait. So requirements, what they want, they need a person who is Indian national, he is male, age under 23 to 30, and must have an experience of at least 3 years in the capacity of salesman. He must know both the English languages, English and Arabic. Obviously, English is the only tool you can talk in other countries, and Arabic, as you in Arabic country, you should know the Arabic in a good way, so as you can talk to them, you can communicate with them. This is it is considered as an edge for you for applying any job. Well groomed with pleasing personality, the person should be groomed and have a pleasing personality as well. So they want they want a person on an immediate basis. So if you are interested and you have at least 3 years of experience as well, then you can go for the interview. Then the next job is of store manager and organizer job. The place is once again Kuwait, and they are looking for store manager and organizer who is capable to assist in store and guide staff. They need a person who can assist their task as well, and guide the staff as well. So if you are interested and you are looking for some job, so it's a good opportunity. Then male house assistant wanted in Kuwait. They need a person who is, they are needed a person for their household things. So in household things, they need person for cooking. I mean, simple house chores for cooking, cleaning, So they are flexible for all of the nationality, and they need a person on an immediate basis. Then there is a job of urgently required graphic designer come draftsman. So in a company, they need a person who has an experience of graphic designer and who can make the drafts as well. So qualification should be available in Kuwait with visa to join within a week. So we don't provide visa, food, accommodation, and transportation for the first time. We have gone through this thing that some Kuwaiti company is not going to provide you the food, accommodation, and transportation. Well, it means they are going to pay you in a good, healthy manner. So minimum 2 years experience in Kuwait in same position and excellent communication skills. So they are going to give you they want a person who has at least 2 years of experience, should have adequate knowledge in design software, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Corel Draw, and AutoCAD, capable to draft and estimate AutoCAD drawings. Then knowledge and administration tools like MS Office, Outlook, email, Paint, Arabic data entry, network sharing, data typing and printing submittals. Timing Saturday to Thursday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please attach some of your latest document design works like brochure, data sheet, profiles. So if you have made any of the things like brochure, if you have, drafts, the things, brochure, data sheet, profiles, so please attach with your CVs, with your documents, and you are interested, so go for the job and apply. Send your CV at the given email address. You must have an experience of using most of the softwares which are using for drawing the images, pictures. Okay, the next job is need delivery drivers in Kuwait. Place is Salmiya. Need delivery drivers for grocery online shop in Salmiya. Salary 200 KD without car, with car 280 KD. Bike delivery driver boys also need with or without bike. Contract and the person should be with transferable visa and health card. Government of Kuwait has issued an health card to all of the persons who are living there in Kuwait. So along with the transferable visa, the person should have health card if you are going to apply for this job. Then the driver, Indian cook and cashier wanted. Al Quran, there is a place Al Quran. They immediately required the below for our restaurant and in Al Quran. Driver with cards. If you are a driver and you want to apply for this job, you must have a car. If you have a car, then go for this job. Delivery from Al Quran to Khairan. So Khairan is the destination, and the duty hours, the 7 hours and 14 KD salary is mentioned over here. Fuel and mobile is your everyday salary will pay. Fuel and mobile will be paid by the company. Indian cook is needed with tandoori experience, and cashier with Baladia card. Baladia card is once again the same card like health card. So WhatsApp, you can WhatsApp your CV at the number given. Then vacancy for cleaning laborers. Cleaning, the person should have, the very first point they have mentioned over there is the transferable article 18 akama. The person should have an 18 akama, a residence visa, जिसको हम कहते हैं. Vacancy for cleaning laborers in company at Mina Abdullah, article 18 akama, only gents, only men can apply for the job, and akama should be, visa should be transferable. Contact is this. Then chapati and biryani makers, they need a person who can make chapatis and biryani in a very tastier way. So urgently required chapati and biryani maker for a sandwich shop. So salary is 180 KWD. Then urgently required house boy and house driver. So urgently required house boy and house driver for Kuwaiti family. And if you are interested, you can call Mr. Muhammad Ganima. And the number is this. Then urgently required house, okay, Mr. वही सेम ही रिपीट हो गई है. Then light drivers with own car and bike. Place Kuwait City, a leading delivery company with hiring drivers on cars and bikes. Okay, once again the job is for the drivers, and they must have their own car, and if they need a bike rider, the person should have his own bike as well. So per order they are going to give you 60 KD, or per order 1.26% or per order 1.2 KD. Timings 11 AM to 7 PM. Then hiring drivers for Talabat, 300 KD basic salary, 0.050 fills per order. 12 hours duty, must have a car, and number is given at the end. So if you are interested and you have your own car as well, then go for the job. The electrical engineer vacancy. There is a vacancy for electrical engineer. Some engineer has mentioned in the comment that they need an engineer's job. So this is in Kuwait. A leading interior company is urgently looking for electrical engineer. Applicants should have minimum 5 years relevant experience in similar positions with MEP, project management and quantity survey. So MEP project, basically MEP project, he has to work for the MEP project management and maintenance management and the execution. Should have KSC membership and transferable residency visa. Please send your CV at the following address. Then Ring Beautician, nail technicians and hairdressers. Ring, for a reputed beauty salon in Kuwait, they are looking to hire a person who is a beautician, nail technicians, and hairdressers. So visa should be 18 or 22 only. Excellent salary plus free accommodation will be provided to all candidates. One thing which is very, very good in this job, that they have mentioned themselves that excellent salary they are going to pay you. So job type full time, permanent job. Another good thing is that the job is permanent as well. Salary is 250 to 300 KD per month. You may send your CV at the WhatsApp number, and you can mail your CV to them as well. So next job is car delivery driver. So car delivery driver visa should be 18. No project visa. Ki salary is basic 190. Fuel plus KD 40, and 12 hours duty hours, and off 2 days in a month. Okay, ji, company mobile, internet, regular calls plus SMS. Company will provide the mobile, your internet, your regular calls and SMS. Visa free of charge, and company accommodation provided. For visa 20, must have a license, a personal interview in the office. So you need to bring some of the documents with you if you are going for appearing in the interviews. You must have your civil ID, your passport, your license, work permit, NML, authorized signatory, Etmat, Takia, and we are located at Jama Hala Al Atif Complex. Street 1, Building 15, first floor. Office hours 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturday to Thursday. These timing are from Saturday to Thursday. Friday will be off. And if you are interested and you have all these documents and you are applying for the job, then call or send your CV at the given number. Row filter technicians required. Looking for a row filter technician required. A row filter technician with knowledge about piping work for residential road units with driving license. Contact this. So a row filter technician is needed for the piping purposes at some residential area, and the person should have the driving license as well. And if you are interested and you are looking for the job, so you can call at the given number. Then wanted experienced ladies tailors. So tailors are needed. So they need a person. There is a newly opening shop in Abasia, and they want person who have 18 visa preference. So if you are looking for a job of tailors, and means the jobs are for ladies only, and you have 18 visa as well, so you can apply for the job. Then need helper cargo company in Kuwait. Cargo company, the person should, oh, this is very interesting to know, that the person should have the capability to speak Telugu. So must write in English, and the salary is 160 plus commission. Duty timings are 12 hours. South Indians only. That is why they are interested in the person who can speak Telugu. So because they want South Indians only to apply for the job. So if you are a South Indian and you can speak Telugu, then call at the given number. House cook job in Kuwait. This is once again as residential job. Indian nationality, male, young and able, must have experience as a cook. Expertise in Arabic foods. Yes, this is very important. Arabic food is, he must be expert in making Arabic foods, proficient in Arabic and English language. You need to join in on an immediate base, and accommodation should be in Kuwait house, and food will be given from the, from your employer, and leave ticket will be provided as well. That's very nice. Salary offer will be discussed during the preliminary interview. So if you are interested and you are looking for the job, please go and call and share your CV at the given number. So it was my last job in my today's video. So I thank you all for patience listening, and those who have mentioned different types of jobs in the comments, I will surely find out the relevant one and will share it with you, obviously. And one thing which is very important, please, whatever the thing you are doing in your life, please do it with full devotion, and then Allah will help us. And I thank you all. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. Allah Hafiz.